Top dressing is a fantastic way to level out uneven areas in your lawn and improve nutrient retention, helping your grass grow thicker and healthier. Hi, I'm Will. I'm going to show you how to top dress your lawn. Let's get into it. Top dressing is most effective when your grass is actively growing. This will differ depending on your lawn type. This ensures your lawn can make the most of the nutrients and moisture provided by the top dressing. Before top dressing, mow and aerate your lawn to improve soil structure and drainage. The type of top dressing mix you choose will depend on your soil. If your lawn is on sandy soil, an organic compost mix will help retain moisture. For clay soils, a top dressing including coarse sand is best for improving drainage. For loamy soils, a balanced mix of soil, sand and organic matter works best. To apply the top dressing, use a shovel to spread an even layer across your lawn. Aim for about 1 to 2 centimetres deep, just enough to cover the soil, but still allow the grass blades to peek through. Once you've spread it out, use a soil spreader or the back of a rake to work the top dressing into the soil, helping it to settle evenly and reach down to the roots. Top dressing isn't usually needed for new lawns. However, after a few months, you can top dress to fill in any low spots. Use a light top dressing mix, such as a sand or a mix with organic material to gently fill in any gaps. And be sure to fertilise a few weeks before for best results. After levelling, give the lawn a good water to help the top dressing settle and start working its way into the soil. This will help nourish your grass and keep it looking lush and green. And there you have it. Top dressing your lawn is an easy way to improve its health and appearance, giving you a greener, more even lawn in no time. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.